this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Custom Resolution Utility. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Custom Resolution Utility is an incredible tool that allows you to create and use custom resolutions. Of course, that's what the name says. So you can use resolutions that aren't native to your monitor. So if you would like to try out what it is to use ultra-wide or something smaller, something bigger, maybe a custom resolution for a specific game that usually is not going to appear by default, then download the tool available at customresolutionutility.net. And once you have it downloaded, it's going to be as simple as running the executable file. So extract it somewhere and you will see this screen, Custom Resolution Utility by ToastTX. The very first thing that you have to do is choose which monitor you will be editing the resolution for. If you have multiple monitors, it's important to choose a particular one that you want to add the custom resolution to. Once you have it selected, you will see the detailed resolutions, so specific ones here, including not only the resolution and the refresh rate, but also additional information that for this video I'm not going to go too in depth about. Then you will have standard resolutions, so the common stuff that you usually see in games in Windows, which is the resolution itself, for example 1920 by 1080, and then the aspect ratio alongside the refresh rate. Then you have extension blocks. Like I said before, for this video I'm not going to go super in depth about what you can do with this tool besides just adding custom resolutions. What you can do here is choose Add. So select Add under Detailed or Standard Resolution, and now you can include all of the resolution here. What I recommend is that you only change the things that you know, so the horizontal and vertical pixels here for active. Usually you don't have to change anything else, everything will be automatically adjusted. If you are unsure what a specific option does, I wouldn't recommend changing it. Then the next thing to look at is going to be the refresh rate. You don't have to change horizontal and pixel clock, simply modify this value. Usually most gaming monitors nowadays will have upwards or start at 120 Hz. Older monitors will be locked to 60, and you can even find upwards of 165 and so on. So input whichever resolution you want to use alongside the refresh rate, click OK, and it is going to appear on this list. With this done, this resolution will now be available to use in Windows and other applications like games. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.